response to any situation we find challenging, frightening, or difficulty, or we are not able to cope up with the situation, we can't able to handle the situation, then we become stressful or become stressed.
Well, the stress is a very broad term and it is related to your mind, body, physical activity, and way of thought and way of working to the body system.
Any situation like we are not able to handle the job properly, we have some problem in the relationship, we have some problem in other life situations we can't handle, then we become stressful.
The body responds in the way like it releases certain hormones which are known as corticosteroids, which maintains your like heartbeat starts working very fast, blood pressure is ready to rise up, your muscles become taut, your body starts shaking up, and then you start working very fast, and your alertness becomes very high, your way of speech becomes very high.
Yes, there is very vital and important relationship between erectile dysfunction and stress, or it's vice versa. Many times due to stress there is problem in the erectile dysfunction, and many times due to erectile dysfunction we become stressful.
Well, there's a lot of relationship between erectile dysfunction and stress. If chronic fatigue is there, this erectile dysfunction is one thing which is related to your mind, your body, and your way of thoughts.
And because of the stressors we can't focus, or due to stress the libido going to be down, or we don't have desires regarding sex.
And suppose you are under stress, chronic fatigueness is there, like your body is aching, you are tired, you are sleepy, and there's a lot of things in your mind, then you cannot perform any act as such. And then naturally once you are performing, there can be early ejaculation, there may be some erectile dysfunctions, and you may not feel like having a relationship with your spouse.
This stress is a erectile dysfunction, and stress are very common problems in our day-to-day life. Or this is a stress also called a second century syndrome, because we are running for to gain the modern life, to improve the lifestyle of our, then we become stressful, we can't handle the situations nicely, and we can't many times we expect too much from our side, we become stressful.
Well, this is a very frequent problem. That's what I told you. Acute phase you can take over, but once it becomes a chronic fatigue stress, then it is a very common problem, especially in the persons who are in the field, or who are in the marketing, or who are under high labels, who are facing a lot of problems day to night. So this is a very common problem, and which is not revealed and told to the doctors or to reveal to anybody else. It's a big problem as such in our society.
With the erectile dysfunction, it's very important to handle the stress, to sort out the problems related to stress, why we become stressful, or what is the reason of erectile dysfunction. There are many reasons for erectile dysfunction. There's like problems in the relationship, partner of the male person is not cooperative during intercourse or some other sexual activities, then there must be lack of libido or lack of desires due to that reason.
Well, stress management has to be done. Stress management, simple way to get away from the stress management, time factor. Like you must have your time control. Second thing, you must go for a walk in the morning, have a fresh air, relax yourself, have a at least 1 day or 2 days weekend off, and relax. And the best ways to do the morning walk and exercises, and not to get yourself fatigue stress. Acute stress is good, but fatigue stress tolls on your body system. So that should be taken care by doing yogas, taking fresh vegetables, fruit juice, and relaxing, and talking, going to your family and relaxing yourself. So these are some of ways where you can relax yourself and get away from this stress factor.
If we improve the communication between spouse or couple, then they get a better sexual relationships. Like we have many techniques or therapies regarding erectile dysfunction. It's very important to give sex education regarding sex education play a very important role, and sex therapy if there is any sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, lack of desire, sex therapy play a very important role. Some medical conditions are also responsible for this, like diabetes, addiction, alcohol dependence, cigarette smoking, lack of sleep, and other physical conditions also play an important role in erectile dysfunction. If we manage those problems, then also improve in the sexual relationship.